You know, somebody asked me how much garlic is too much garlic. You know where they're at now? I don't either, because that was the day I stopped talking to them. When you ready, shit, I was born ready. And I was already on fish and spaghetti. It's probably the best thing G-Dep ever said. Shout out to G-Dep. That record featured Black Rob, rest in peace, Puff Daddy. If you were outside, early 2000s, and you were in any club, shoulders were moving, hips were twisting. The whole club was saying word for word. They were already on fish and spaghetti. Like, you didn't need anything too complex. He's basically telling you, all right, dog, I'm ready. I've been eating fish and spaghetti. I like that. Yo, G-Dep. And now I'm about to make fish and spaghetti. Music is magical, fish is magical, spaghetti's magical, and I'm a magician. Let's go! Let's get right to it. We have cod filet, good flaky white fish. There's many type of fish that can be paired with spaghetti, but I chose cod, so that's what we're gonna do today.
How do you feel about tilapia?
Tilapia's not real. Tilapia's not real. Tilapia's like a BBL. But shout out to tilapia and BBLs. We're gonna start with a little sea salt, some coarse black pepper. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna flip it. You can't have a favorite kid, you can't have a favorite side of the fish. I know some women that have a favorite husband though, but I'm not gonna talk about that. Oh! Why can't I just cook? I'm always just saying something absurd in between. I need to just show up, shut up, and cook. So we're just gonna really surround and garnish the cod with garlic, onions, and peppers. It's really like a celebration of the cod. It's like if someone tells you you're special before they eat you. These are celebratory peppers. Yeah, we're just gonna spread these, you know, across. Just give it a little color, a little flavor. You know, somebody asked me how much garlic is too much garlic. You know where they're at now? I don't either, because that was the day I stopped talking to them. A lot of these dudes got their first piece of fish and first forkful of spaghetti at like 34 and a half, and then they want to run around and stick their chest out. Like, when G-Dep said it, I understood it, because I too was already on it. I'm gonna insert this celebration of wrap into the oven, and then I'm gonna get started with the spaghetti. We'll see you in a few, all right? One. We're about to delve into the spaghetti right now. As you see, we have the pasta water boiling, so right now, we're gonna just make a simple garlic and oil. If you're gonna make spaghetti, why not make angelic spaghetti? Cook time, 2 minutes. Anything that's ready in 2 minutes is a go. I'm adding some crushed red peppers. This is boiling quite aggressively, and 2 minutes is up. I'm gonna go strain this. Garlic, crushed red peppers, olive oil. Whoever thought I could grow up and turn into an Italian grandmother?
All you need.
It's not all you need, because we're about to throw in some leaf oregano, a little bit of onion powder, some sea salt, some black pepper. You see we're getting stupid, right? Check on this fish. I'm gently dusting the top of the fish with breadcrumbs. It's gonna make it crispy and delicious. Back to the spaghetti. We have sun-dried tomatoes. Just throw a couple of these in here. A spoonful of Irish butter secretly in the back. Then I'm just gonna drop in the middle of this to finish it off. I'm gonna plate today's creation in this pan because I think I'm gonna eat it right out of here, unless there's any objection to that. I've had enough of the stove and its temperamental behavior. Me and this stove need to go to couples counseling because it's acting up. First, we're gonna hit this with the best cheese on the face of the earth, a little Locatelli. Then, we're gonna douse it with just a tab of Pecorino. Real light with it, real light. Oh, did you think I wouldn't garnish it with flavor? Damn, all I really need now is lemon. If only I could get a magic lemon to magically appear and land in my hand. Woo! The lemon is a form of enhancement. The lemon makes it everything you dreamed of and more. More olive oil, more black pepper, more basil. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have it, fish and spaghetti. Oh, you see how flaky and delicate that is? Almost don't even want to move it. Wow. This might be the best thing I ever made. If G-Dep tasted this, he would automatically say, get slapped silly. He'd just eat this and hit the closest person to him. Out of love though. He'd hit you and say, I only do this because I love you. Right now, I don't even have anything to say. I'm just gonna eat this fish and spaghetti. It's crazy.